fully, but it's filled.
This is one of the first times I have independently welded by myself. Welcome back to drybonesgarage. This episode is part of a series where me and my dad take a 63 Corvair and a G-body chassis and combine them together to create a hot rod. This video is a part 2 of us welding in the floor, so I hope you enjoy that, and I will see you at the end of the video. Dad and I had a different vision of how much the patches should cover, so I trimmed it down a little bit. I later asked Dad if he could help me out with some of the holes I missed.
Before you start trying to get this in, make sure all of this is cleaned up. You want bare metal to bare metal, and you want it absolutely in contact. So when you're getting into this area where things are kind of wonky, kind of spot down, work the metal down, spot all the way around. And then start working and tapping and working and tapping until everything is tight, and then just spot, 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 spot. Work the circle until you got it down where you want it and you're fairly confident it's not going to move anymore, and then go through and start ripping all your seams, okay?
I did a lot of hammering off camera with this one.
It's ugly, but it's filled. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna try to fill in some of the holes now. Hopefully I don't make more in the process, but I'll try. I think that should do it. I'm not sure. I don't think my tape strategy is working too well. It's not sticking, it's wiggling all over the place. I need an extra person pressing this down, but it's not here, so. It's a wonderful thing, I think. Hopefully it'll be a wonderful thing. I'll be tall. In order to use up all the old sheet metal, we're gonna cut this in half. As you can see, I was having a bit of trouble shaping that patch and getting it to fit in the car. That's why I was so happy to find out that Dad did the body work and spotted it in for me while I was away. Well, I think I'm about done for now. Just about finished with the driver's side of the cabin. There's still more work to do, but I think I'll do that in the next episode. This is one of the first times I have independently welded by myself. I think I learned quite a bit. So yeah, I'll pass you on to outro, Amanda. So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this episode. We're getting kind of backed up into a corner as far as footage goes and getting enough to make a video within a week. So I think I might try something a little different next week. And anyways, if you like this video, please give it a like. That would make sense. If you liked it, you're gonna like the video. And if you want to see what we're gonna do with this car in the future, then please make sure to press the subscribe button. Other than that, I hope you enjoy the weather and I will hopefully see you next week. Bye!
boop, boop.